It seems like the wind always wins. Like when I spray stain the fence and my face. When I try to blow out all the leaves. It goes kind of like that. Even when I am attempting to play pickleball. Come on, that's not even realistic, but it happens and I need all the help I can get in that game. It all just makes me want to hide away inside my garage because at least so far anyway, you know what, this seems rude, so we're gonna open this back up. I was saying, at least so far anyway, my garage door has been able to win against the wind. I never thought much about that until I went to the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety in South Carolina, where they create full-scale structures and then hit them with all kinds of perils, including wind, unrelenting, very fast wind, courtesy of the fan wall.
Our 105 fans are each nearly 6 feet in diameter, 350 horsepower to recreate realistic Category 3 hurricane conditions.
Inside a mammoth test chamber.
6 stories tall, large enough to fit 4.5 basketball courts inside of it.
This nonprofit research center was conceived by the insurance industry after the devastating and very costly wind event known as Hurricane Andrew back in 1992.
And it really highlighted the need to take a closer look at buildings as a whole and understand that building system performance.
All over the place, they have installed destruction cams.
These allow us to watch exactly how the events unfold,
so that from every angle, they can study how homes break and how we can build them back stronger, including the all-important garage door. They found that often when it fails, the whole home can fail.
We've all seen those pictures of those caved-in garages after big events. So that allows the wind pressures to get into your home. And once they get into your home, they have to have a place to go. And unfortunately, that's going to be up on your roof or out on your walls.
The IBHS reports that there was no structural damage in 90% of homes where the garage door stayed intact during a storm, and that therefore, damaged garage doors tend to create more costly insurance claims. Especially along the hurricane-prone coast, you may have to have a wind pressure rated garage door, which is reinforced and capable of resisting those higher wind speeds, which can wreak havoc.
Sometimes it's just a matter of seconds before we see that garage door cave in, and from there again, it's that cascade of damage.
A company that boasts being the largest garage door manufacturer in all of North America says wind-rated doors are most common along the coast here, but that in the last 25 years, there has been a 96% increase in the number of these stronger doors also being installed at inland dwellings across Texas, where straight-line winds and tornadoes are frequent threats.
Having a fortified roof on your home and having one of these wind-rated garage doors, your home can actually withstand EF1, EF2 tornado damage in a lot of cases.
No guarantees, but it does harden that critical shell of your home, they say, even against those less intense tornadoes, which FEMA has pointed out account for about 95% of all recorded tornadoes. I have more info on wind-rated garage doors and how to even tell if you have one already in my write-up today, posted at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook, Threads, and Blue Sky. And still ahead, tomorrow on Daybreak, a demo that will make you really think about your safe room during severe weather and about all the outside walls of your home as we try to protect ourselves and our dwellings so we can live right on the money.